This guide is meant for experienced players. If you need step-by-step instructions on where to start the quest, how to get to certain locations, or other basic things of that nature, this guide is not for you. So for the recipe for disaster vase parts, ceramic vase, you will need to have completed, or you need to have started the Legends quest, and you need to have completed I'm not sure if there's any other requirements other than, I'll just go through what the guide says. So started Legends quest, and then under that I think it has Family Crest, Heroes Quest, Shield of Arav, Lost City, Merlin's Crystal, Dragon Slayer, Druidic Ritual, Shallow Village, Jungle Potion, Druidic Ritual, Underground Pass, Biohazard and Plague City, and Waterfall Quest. So some of those I'm not sure if those are required for Legends quest or if they're required for this quest. It's kind of confusing on the guide, but I think you have to have completed all those to start Legends quest, and you'll only need to have started Legends quest. Then you also need 107 quest points. You need to be able to defeat a level 227 Black Dragon, which is pretty easy. You can safe spot it and kill it with Fire Strike. So pretty much anyone can do it. And then the required items are a bucket of milk, a pot of cream, raw sweet corn, which you can you can grind that up for a pot of corn flour, which I did before the quest. You just do that at the windmill. A pot, an axe, a machete, and those I think are to get into the Khazari jungle to get a vanilla pod, which I have already done. So you get a vanilla pod just from the Khazari jungle. You can do that beforehand while you're doing Legends quest. And then you also need a Draymond Staff, Pestle Motor, an anti-dragon shield is highly recommended. Actually, maybe even might be required. I would just bring one. Ice gloves and a raw chicken. And then I'd recommend bringing stamina potions and food and potions to kill some monsters. And that's glory teleports or charges, Lumbridge teleports, and that's pretty much it. So to start the quest, you inspect ceramic vase. After that, you want to head through this door, speak to the cook, option is 4, 5, 2. Next, you want to use your pot of cream on your bucket of milk. Use your sweet corn or pot of corn flour on the mixture, and then use your vanilla pod on the mixture. And then you want to teleport to Draenor. Which option is 425. Next, you want to head to Zeneris. You just want to head east. Go into the shack while wielding your Draymond Staff. Use your raw chicken on this chicken shrine. You should end up in this place. You want to head north. There should be an evil chicken up here that you want to kill. You want to take the evil chicken egg that it drops. Next up, you want to kill a dragon over here. Black dragon. And you can save spot it over in this little passage. So you can stand like right here and then just mage it or range it. It'll take a while, but you can do that. Melee, it's weak to stab, so that's why I'm using the Hasta. After it's dead, it should drop a dragon token. You want to pick that up. Head outside. Now you want to add your evil chicken egg that you picked up to your mixture. And then you want to add your cinnamon, which is a crushed Draymond staff, to the mixture. And then you want to put on your ice gloves and rub your dragon token. And option is 1. After that, you want to teleport to Lumbridge. You should have a Burly Supreme. You want to use the Burly Supreme on the Amik Varze right here. Quest complete.